Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve a problem based on Newton's forward difference interpolation. In my last session, we have seen the derivation for a Newton's forward difference interpolation method. Let us solve a numerical based on that. Okay. So construct a difference table from the following data and obtain the value f of 50.5 using Newton's forward difference formula. So this is how the numerical is given and we have to solve it by applying Newton's forward difference formula. So let us form the table first. So see what you have to do. You have to take down the value of x, okay, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, we have cross checked here itself that the step size h is same, which is equal to 1. Corresponding value of f of x, which is a function y, we will take down the data points here. Okay, so these are the data points here. So we are creating a difference table. So let us say we have a delta y, okay, which is a difference in the y, then delta square y, delta cube y, and delta raised to 4y. Okay. So this is how we have to prepare a table. So in case of finding out the delta y, you have to take the difference. See, this is say x0 y0, this is x1 y1. So y1 minus y0 will give you delta y. So 39.7981 minus 39.1961. Okay. So it will come out to be same for rest of the functions. Okay. So this will be same for rest of the values of y. Okay, so this is the difference between this minus this is coming out as this. Okay, then 40.39 minus 39.79 will give you this one 0.59. 40.98 minus 40.39 will give you 0.5901. Similarly, 41.56 minus 40.98 will give you 0.58. Okay, so you have got delta y. So this is your delta y0, delta y1, delta y2, delta y3. Okay. Similarly, we'll find out delta square y. So in the same way, we will follow the procedure. So it is 0.5961 minus 0.602 will give you this. This minus this will give you this. Similarly, this minus this will give you this. Okay. So this is how you have got the delta square. Now, for delta cube, you will subtract this minus this. So minus 0.0060 minus of 0.0059 will give us minus 0.0001. This is delta cube y, 0. Similarly, you will find out this also, and then finally delta raised to 4y. So this is what you will get at the end of the difference table. Now let us put these values in the formula. So what is the formula? So initially you have to find out the spacing h, which is 51 minus 50 or 52 minus 51. So it is 1. So we have r equal to 50.5 xr. Okay, we are interested to find out yr at corresponding value of x, which is 50.5 given in the numerical, minus 50 x0 upon h is 1. So it comes out to be zero point 0.5. Now we took the values of delta y0, delta square y0, delta cube y0, and delta raised to 4y0. From where we have taken it? So this is delta y0, delta square y0, delta cube y0, and delta raised to 4y0. Now we'll put it in the formula, which is y0 plus r delta y0 plus r minus 1 upon 2 factorial delta square y0 plus r minus 1 r minus 2 upon 3 factorial delta cube y0, and so on. We will go till delta raised to 4y0. So it will be one more term r minus 1, r minus 2, r minus 3 upon 4 factorial into delta raised to 4y0. We'll substitute all the values. We have all the values with us. We know that r is coming as 0.5 and rest all values from the table. Okay, you have to just substitute and calculate. So it comes out to be 39.4978. Okay, I hope you have understood how to solve the Newton's forward difference interpolation. So that's all for today. If any doubt, please comment. Thank you.